One of the strategies companies are using to try to mitigate browser security threats is to replace their mainstream browsers like Chrome and Edge with Chromium-based browsers that are hardened by reducing browser functionality and application compatibility. The industry calls these replacement browsers. But how do replacement browsers, or any browser deployed on an endpoint for that matter, stack up when it comes to neutralizing zero-day threats?
One of the advantages that Menlo has that replacement browsers don't is we're highly integrated with AI capabilities from Google and Gemini. This allows us to use our heat technology, highly evasive adaptive threat detection, to find zero-day based attacks and protect our customers from things that have never been seen before and that don't have signatures out there. It's a very unique value proposition that Menlo has.
We've actually added AI to our cloud platform to be able to look at everything that the end user sees inside the browser and be able to apply our own AI. We built our own model that can do machine vision and synthesize what the user sees, look for logos and such, and then couple that with the leading LLM in Gemini and be able to form a very accurate verdict. Is this site real or is this site an impersonation? And we're getting 98+% detection rate on what is otherwise a zero-day phishing scam that no one else in the industry can see. These 0 days by definition reach the end user because no one recognized it was a 0 day and trick the end user. In the case of Menlo, a priori, before anyone knows it's an attack, we're able to block over 98% of those. So it's incredibly valuable, powerful technology and a partnership that we've had with the Gemini team at Google to produce extraordinary results in terms of stopping these phishing and scam attacks.
So when you think about zero-day threats and where the Menlo approach is better than a replacement browser approach, those threats can be, they're impersonation attacks, they're spoofing, they're phishing, they're socially engineered attacks that are trying to get the user to do something. That's where, because those are attacks that have never been seen in the wild before, they're by definition 0 day, 0 hour attacks, having a unique capability where you're combining a virtualized browser in the cloud with our AI-based detection allows for a level of protection that a traditional browser, or more specifically a replacement browser, simply can't do that.